Today we'll be upgrading the hard drive on this Dell Vostro V131 laptop. So we will start off by taking this little screw out, then we'll pop the cover off and we'll have access to the hard drive. So we got the cover off. Here's the hard drive. We've got one screw right here. We'll take the screw off. And then we can slide the hard drive back, just like that, and pick it up and out. So you'll need to take this screw off and this screw off. Once you take that off, you can take this hard drive out of this caddy and we'll put the new hard drive in. Got the new hard drive mounted in the cradle. Looks like we got a squished Wi-Fi antenna cover right here from the factory. So let me get that out and before we put the hard drive in. Alright, got that off. Out of the way. So now and we'll put our screw back in place. And put the cover on. We'll be done.